What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Wei Li, Global Chief Investment Strategist at BlackRock. In this special edition of Market Take, I'll dig into what's behind recent market volatility, especially in the US. We actually don't think that the sell-off is consistent with the fundamental picture. You look at the strong job creation, you look at the still good earnings expectation for this year, 12% for US equity market. They are consistent with an economy that is holding up okay. Now, a rapid rotation out of very crowded positions contributed to stock market pressure in recent days, and the very high level of policy uncertainty further led to risk premium repricing, i.e. investors demanding more for holding risk in this environment. But over the 6 to 12 month horizon, we expect some of those uncertainty to dissipate. Mag 7 forward PE in aggregate is at the same level as it was during the time of ChatGPT rollout. When you look at the estimates for their 25, 26 earnings, revenue, operating margin, they haven't worsened so far this year, notably. And if you look at their CapEx commitment, it's even increased versus what was already a record year last year. We recently closed underweight in European equities, and we keep our tactical overweight in Chinese equities as some of these unloved and under-owned exposures start to play catch up. And we also find that in this environment of inflationary pressure and high debt, gold has proven to be a better diversifier compared to long-term duration. The bottom line is we don't think that market sell-off is supported by economic fundamentals. Yet, in the very near term, very elevated policy uncertainty and positioning can keep the pressure up. Over the horizon of 6 to 12 months, I would spotlight opportunities in tech that has become more attractive in valuation, and also observe that gold can play a better role as diversifier than long-duration treasuries in portfolios. For details, read our market commentary on a weekly basis. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com/thebid.